Keith Ellison has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Marquette County in south central Wisconsin, northern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:37 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Darboy to near Marcusson to near Portage, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Beaver Dam, Waupun, Ripon, Berlin, North Fond du Lac, Fall River, Martello, Marcusson, Princeton, Oakfield, Rosendale, Green Lake, Brandon,
Southern Lake Winnebago, Chichita, Lamartine. Other landmarks included are the following
locations: Horicon Marsh, French Creek Wildlife Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.